The Draper Mitre Box, with its integral clamping facility, makes cutting mitres easy. It offers the capability to cut at 90 degrees, plus two-directional 45 degrees and 22.5 degree mitres. It also has a side-on 45 degree feature for cutting larger sections of materials. The base also has two bench edge stops on the underside to prevent unnecessary movement when working. Or, if preferred, the base has two countersunk slots for permanent fixing to a bench or work surface. The integral clamps hold the material in place while cutting, giving the user more control and resulting in a more accurate and neater cut.